All right, everybody. First of all, thank you for your support with Blue Magic, Fire, and thank you for all the kind words and the support, your patience. So today, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to use this batter. The biggest question is, what's the wet batter that we're using before we put it in the dry batter, which is just flour and water. Now, I'm gonna give you the measurements, and hopefully this will help you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, we're gonna start with the flour. I'm gonna do about 2 cups of flour. Yeah, that's 2 cups, 2 cups of flour. We're gonna do 2.5 cups of water. Now, the key to a good wet batter is to have like a pancake batter consistency. Now, I do change up the consistency of the wet batter depending on what I'm cooking. Chicken, I want it a little bit thicker. Seafood, I want it a little bit thicker. Vegetables, a little bit thinner. But we're frying chicken today, so let's add that water. Make sure you get all those lumps out. Perfect. Now, today we're gonna be frying chicken. I just bust down the whole chicken. Got a piece of breast, thigh, couple wings, legs. I'm gonna show you the technique that I use and the technique that I teach my chefs when dredging. So, of course, I brine my chicken. That's 2 quarts of water, 1/2 cup of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar. I use iodized salt, and I let it brine overnight. We're gonna put these in our wet batter. We're gonna mix that up. Now, into our dry batter. The best way to do this is to come under and toss, toss, toss. Squeeze. You want to push down on that chicken, helps the batter stick. Toss, toss. You want to check, make sure that batter is everywhere. Toss. Now, this is how you want your chicken to look after it's dredged. See that? You can literally tell that this is gonna look good when it comes out. Shake off some of that excess flour into the fryer. Yes, sir. Into the fryer. Now let's drop this chicken. I usually fry my chicken at about 325, and I fry for about 13 to 14 minutes. Usually, the internal temp is 165 for chicken. But me, I prefer mine to be like 205. I prefer my shit to be like 205. Because it is chicken, I just want to make sure it's cooked well, done. Yeah. It's almost there. 7, 8 more minutes. All right, our fried chicken is ready. Look how pretty this shit is. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm telling you, this is the best fried chicken, real simple. All you gotta do is buy some Bleu Magic. Now in my house, this is how we serve our fried chicken in chicken boxes. So when you want a 2-piece, you know, we got our sweet rolls. Throw a couple of them in there. I'm gonna do a 3-piece. And you can't forget the jalapenos. And that's it. The best fried chicken you'll ever eat.
You can come with me?
Yep. I'm not turning down fried chicken. Oh, you need some ranch?
Yeah.
Just want some ketchup. You're gonna teach them how to eat chicken properly?
I guess, you know. So, what's this? We got a little 3-piece,
Yep, little 3-piece.
little thigh, wing. I like the wing. I'm a wingy. I like to do the wing. So, you're gonna take your jalapeno. You're gonna buy like a. I just do a little bit. I ain't gonna do that. And you just, this one ain't that juicy. Do that like that. Oh. And so what I do, I put some chicken in my mouth and some bread, and then I bite the jalapeno. I thought you was eating with me.
I'm eating too.
You good? I've been seeing y'all in the comments calling me a big back. It's okay. I don't care. It's content. I'm gonna eat a salad after this. Alright.
Oh my God.
All this needed is a grape soda. That's kind of racist. That's alright.
How do we buy the Blue Magic?
So you can purchase your Blue Magic at thebluestore.com, which we will drop in the description. 2 pounds are sold out right now. Probably gonna restock in about a week. But yeah, bluestore.com.
That's BLEU.
BLEU. Y'all better get some of this.
If you follow my directions, your chicken will taste exactly like this. No more Popeyes, no more none of that. This is all you need. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.
Cheers.